Hello everyone, this is Sifat. In previous class, we already talked about nested book. In today class, we are deep dive into nested book. And today work is this pattern. We bring this pattern using nested loop. So let's start the class. First create a file. We save it. Let's save nested.py. So let's take a variable which is row. We select 5 row. This row equal to 5 because here is a 5 row. You can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our row is 5 and column. This is our first column. This is our second column. This is our third column, fourth column, and fifth column. So you already know how to start a loop for a we use for a loop, then take a variable, then in, then range, start the loop from 1, then it's go to 5. Sorry. Then again another loop. This is our outer loop and this one is our inner loop. So for inner loop we have to take another variable. Let's take it is j. Sorry for mistake. J is our variable, then in, then we take a range. Let's take I because it's depend on I. Within some minutes we explain in the class because why we use I in here. Let's print. This print help us to print a new line after printing one row, then it's print a new line, then another row, then it's print another new line. So this time is okay. Our code is run perfectly. Now let's explore how it's worked. Our range of I is 1 to 5. We already talked about that. Then the value of j is start with 0 and end with the range of I. It's less than 1, then 2, it's less than 2, then 3, it's less than 3. That's how it works. Thank you. See you in the next class. I hope you all understand. If you have any confusion, you can write it in the comment box. So thank you.